I've never seen anything like this where people know it's wrong by law, but they don't care. People didn't think it was right that he was not allowed to be named.
No. And that's the thing. It's like based on mental health. Well, now I can say this because he's been convicted guilty, but he's obviously not thinking about the mental health of his victim
No.
as he committed the crime.
And now he's in police custody.
Mm.
His mental health is in the Victorian prison system. Why do we need to still protect him?
Exactly.
But what I think this also comes down to is he got a suppression order because they could afford to fight it all the way.
That's the thing, is that due to privilege, they were able to get, if they didn't have
100%.
the funding or backing behind them, absolutely not.
But how much of a luxury it is to be able to have a legal team that's fighting for the suppression order and a legal team that's fighting for your case for the crimes that you're accused of. Most of us can only afford minimal time from a lawyer. This isn't something you'd even consider.
No, so many people wouldn't even have this as an option at all.
They're like, we can apply for it, but that's going to be, an optional extra. It's going to cost thousands and thousands of dollars. People go, I'd rather put that money on my defense.
It's so fascinating. They must have been confident that the result would be not guilty because they've invested so much money in
But
the
also
suppression
statistically, the data's on their side.
Yeah, that's true.
Reports have said, Gab, that the total defense would be at least $700,000, but more likely that they've spent over $1 million on this.
Wow. Just imagine having that just in your back pocket, ready to go.
Yeah. The other thing, Gab, is have you seen some of the reaction to this? Like, I'd say on TikTok and social media, it's been passing largely the vibe test.
What test?
The vibe test.
What's the vibe test?
Well, people are supporting the victim and calling him out and saying it's
Oh,
inequitable.
yeah, no, 100%. I was like, is this terminology? I don't know.
But you have a vibe test? You never heard that before?
No. Am I
Oh.
old? Maybe I'm old. I've only seen it one way, and that is in support of the victim. But also what I've recently seen is a lot of frustration towards Tom Silvagni's girlfriend.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah.
Yes. Did you think it was on the nose that she was doing brand deals for the period between him being found guilty and then him being named?
Yeah, that signals that she's not taking this seriously.
No, she stood by him.
Like, I don't know. I mean, we don't know what happens behind closed doors. She's either really believed his lies or I don't know.
She had a paid partnership deliverable from Keels.
Well,
if you were Keels,
cancel it.
Cancel it. It's the money. I don't care. Like, you've done the.
I find it very interesting that they didn't cancel that.
They allowed it to be still going ahead. If I was a brand, I would say we'll still pay you. Just don't post.
Yes, because we don't want to encourage that alignment between our brand and your name.
Yeah.
The whole point of that is to leverage someone else's authority.
Yeah.
Yeah, it baffles me.
The other thing I'm going to say is Tom Silvagni's parents made a media statement that was very PR-esque outside court, spoke about how he stands by his son, devastated by the outcome, which made it sound like he was applying to be drafted in the AFL and didn't make it, as opposed to, we're devastated, our son's been found guilty.
Yeah, you still feel like they have a disconnect with reality. And they certainly were not accepting
the verdict.
Result.
No. There's been some conjecture about how Joe Silvagni acted, and it was face-to-face with the victim when she came back into the courtroom. And notably, both the parent stayed outside the courtroom whilst the victim read her impact statement.
I heard about this. So they chose not to listen to it. How disrespectful.
I thought so as well. You would have been better off not coming in at all than to have not come out.